Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to report a TikTok account. Reporting a TikTok account is useful if a user is posting inappropriate content, violating community guidelines, or harassing other users. To start, open the TikTok app. Let's say I want to report this user. Just click on the account. Now go to the arrow on the top right and click on Report. Here you will get an option to report an account or content. If you want to report an account, go to Report Account. You can choose a reason from here or tap on something else to see more options. Just select one and report the user. Once submitted, TikTok will review the report and take action. If the account is found to be violating the rules, you can check the status of your report through notifications in the app. And that's it. We just learned how to report a TikTok account by using the report option on the user's profile and submitting a reason for review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.